If Windows 11 seems eager to get you to leave it alone, here's how to stop the shutdown box from appearing by itself. Now, the shutdown box might be a temporary system glitch caused by an outdated Windows version. So to update your operating system, bring up the Settings menu, head to Windows Update, and click Check for Updates option. Now, if the shutdown box is still popping up after updating the Windows version, you should give the System Maintenance Troubleshooter a chance to fix the problem for you. Just open Control Panel, head to Troubleshooting, click System and Security, click Run Maintenance Tools, click Advanced, click this checkbox, and click Next to run the troubleshooter. Now, if that still did not work, perform generic fixes like running the SFC and DISM scans via the command prompt with the admin rights. Type in the following commands one by one. Or you can also start Windows in safe mode. So that's how you can fix shutdown box opening by itself in your Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.